Hello everyone, I did a bit of a different video this week. I know I am actually doing a video. It's a miracle. So today is Wednesday. I was going to say Thursday, but it's not, it's Wednesday. And tomorrow I am off to my auntie's and my cousin to see my cousin. They live in Ireland. So I'm flying from Bristol to Belfast tomorrow. With EasyJet. Thank God I booked EasyJet, because Ryanair, who we normally fly with and who are bloody awful, are going on strike. So thank goodness I went posh, if you can call EasyJet posh, and booked EasyJet. So I'm just going to do a little travelly vlog, like pack with me, come with me, and I'm also being really brave and flying without diazepam because it's a really short flight. And I found that I don't fly very well. And when I fly to Ireland, by the time you take the diazepam, it's just started to work as you land. And then you have to go through like border control, a bit like monged out your head, and you look like a bit of an idiot. So I'm going brave and not taking diazepam. Newsflash, I know. But as soon as that seatbelt light comes off, I will be in the toilet because that's what I do. Anyway, let's pack. I have no idea what I'm taking, apart from Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice. Don't think that's going to get me very far, so let's go. So this is my little hand luggagey suitcase, con Kafkistan Mickey Mouse thing. And obviously the last time I used this must have been when I went to Florida in April, because it has Phenergan in it. And Phenergan and diazepam are an amazing mix for flying. Basically, they knock you out. So, I have pyjamas, I have fluffy socks, and I have Pride and Prejudice. I think I might need a bit more, so let's pack. Just a little disclaimer, I will not be showing the world my underwear. We're not that, like, close as friends yet, okay? Just thought I'd let you know. I've got some stuff and I'm tired already from getting 3 tops out of the drawer. Top tip for packing, if you're only going hand luggage, is roll your stuff so you get more in if you roll it. Not that I'm taking loads, I'm only going for like 3 nights, but roll it and you can fit more in. So this little bag here has got my undies in, and I got this when I bought some dungarees from Lucy and Yak. They get sent in those and they're really handy. Right, let's get this stuff in. See, top tip, if you roll it, there's like loads of room. I need to get some jeans. I am just syncing my Kindle because I have got tons of books off of NetGalley that I need to download onto it. And then that can go in there and it can go in my bag. But keep it like, I'm going to pack it last because it needs to come out at security. And it's just a royal pain in the arse. Does anyone ever find with NetGalley? So if you don't know what NetGalley is, it's a website that has ARCs on it, so advanced reader copies, and publishers put the books on it and you can apply to read them. But whenever I get books off NetGalley, it always does it like twice. It's really irritating. So then I have to go onto my Kindle account and delete it all because there's just too many books. First world problems, people. Honest to God. Hello everyone. It's now the afternoon. What's the time? I haven't got my watch on. It is 3:20. So I had to nip out to drop Megan off at a friend's and go and get some stuff, then pick Megan up from my friend's. So essentials for Alexandra's travelling. I have to get some Mawams because, you know, I have to get me a Ziploc baggies because we're hand luggage only, so you can only take anything under 100ml. So I have my deodorant, I have my vape stuff because yes, I'm a vapor. It's better than being a smoker. I have my Carmex. I love Carmex. It's the best. I do not go anywhere without my Carmex. And Carmex is quite expensive over here. If you want to get it cheap, B&M or Home Bargains if we're in the UK, or do what I do and go to America on holiday and buy like 2 years worth because it's like super cheap. Now I have to sort out this disgusting bag and decant it into there, but I'm going to need some of it tomorrow. But anyway, let's go. Oh, another top tip. If anyone wants a really good dupe for Yves Saint Laurent, is it Le Touche Éclat, the whatchamacallit for your eyes and shears? Number 7, do one, and it's like half the price. Benefit mascara. I'm a bit posh, I got a bit of Chanel as well. An empty face cream. I look like a bit of a snob when it comes to like makeup and face stuff, but I can only use L'Occitane face cream, and this is the Immortelle, and it is super expensive. This is empty. I think it's about £45 for 50ml, but everything else really irritates my skin and I cannot wear it. So I have another one here. I have hand gel because I'm a nurse and I don't go anywhere without hand gel. On that note, let's get sorted makeup. I think that's all done now. I've just got to pop my jeans in there, my Haribo, and I'm ready to go. Woohoo! See you tomorrow. Good morning everyone. It is now Thursday. Please excuse the bare walls. My house is covered in plaster dust because the plasterer was here yesterday doing in there. So my house is just awful. I need to go and pick my mum up and then she'll probably be like, "Oh Alexandra, there's dust everywhere." Yes mother, it's plaster dust. And then Megan's on a driving lesson, so she's gonna be back, and then got to go to the airport. Feeling a bit sick. My problem is, especially with Bristol Airport, because I used to work at Bristol Airport and my manager was horrible, literally awful, and bullied me and made me really poorly. Like, people know that I've had an eating disorder in the past, and she kind of like tipped me over the edge again into poorliness because it was constant harassment and constant bullying, and she still works there. So my problem, half my problem is Bristol Airport because bad memories. But we'll leave it at that because that's in the past and I'm trying to get over it anyway. Sorry, I'm rambling because I'm nervous and I've had no diazepam. So yeah, I will speak to you later from the airport, I think. So we made it through security. Megan's not very happy because it's all really stressful going through security. So we're just off to find some water to fill my water bottle up, and then we've got to wait. I managed to fill my water bottle up. If you want to find it in Bristol Airport, it's between gate 7 to 16. I think there was one down here as well, but they're scammers and they try and like hide the water fountains you buy their water. Currently in the bookshop, because why not? So far so good. Megan found the best book ever. After her traumatic experience through security. Bless her. I made it to the boarding gate. The aircraft's out there somewhere. I'm actually feeling okay. So yeah, good moves all round. I made it alive on board. Just thought I'd share that with you all. I actually feel not too bad. I'm quite proud. Light's gone off and I'm still in my seat.
Belongings to shoes, checking in the seat pocket underneath the seat and in the overhead lockers. Take care when opening the lockers in case anything falls out. Smoking is not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area.
Hello everyone, it's now Friday morning. Obviously I made it here. I'm going to leave the vlog there for today because I'm going to carry on vlogging the rest of the weekend. I've got to take Neve horse riding today, which will be fun. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.